Discrimination. Since long ago, there has existed a hierarchy within mankind. There were those who were in the high class and the low class, the nobility and the peasants, the dark-skinned people and the light-skinned people. Even today, there are different classes. Those who are wealthy act like they are nobility, while those who are impoverished and weak die one day after having lived their lives with discontentment and regret. Listen, you and I are not strangers. You and I are one. But those who died after having lived arrogantly did so due to their discontentment and regrets, and it is a pity indeed. You have been given your body, so then what else is it that you are seeking to gain? Why do you live so greedily? Wake up, all of you. Wake up from your dreams. There is nothing for you to have or gain. Just break free from yourselves. This is the only way you will be able to live. This is the only way for you to become closer to truth.